Still using RSI for scalping? Here's why that's killing your trades. Are you still using RSI for scalping? Maybe it's time to think again. In this video, I show you exactly why RSI fails on the 5-minute time frame and how you can trade more successfully with a more accurate and faster alternative. If you're looking for something better than just overbought, oversold, watch this video all the way to the end. RSI, short for Relative Strength Index, is one of the most widely used indicators. But most of its popularity is because it seems simple: above 70, overbought, below 30, oversold, trade it. But the reality of the scalping market is much faster, more brutal, and more noisy. And RSI is dangerously delayed, especially on 1 to 5 minute charts. And this is where many people lose money. Let's get a little more technical. RSI measures the average of recent gains and losses over a given period, usually 14 candles. But on a lower time frame, how many minutes does 14 candles equal? That means RSI is looking at the market a few minutes ago, not the current moment. In fact, when RSI reaches 70, the price may have already made that move and you're just seeing a past signal. For scalping, we want a real-time tool, not a lagging reporter. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Let's do a test. In this BTC USD chart on the 5-minute time frame, the RSI has given a sell signal, number 75. But at the same time, the price has just broken through resistance and the momentum is strong. If you sell here, you are entering against the trend and late. The probability of failure is high. In the back test I conducted on 40 trades with RSI, the success rate was only 37%. Most of the signals appeared when the main move was over. This is exactly where the alternative tool comes in. Instead of RSI, I use a combination of EMA and MACD. Why? EMA, 20 and 50, shows you the trend live, not predicted. MACD indicates the moment of momentum and direction. Unlike RSI, MACD gives an instantaneous crossover which usually appears a few candles before RSI. In a similar test with EMA plus MACD, the success rate reached 69%. The signals were faster, more accurate, and in line with the momentum, and this difference can turn a losing trader into a winner. If you want to use RSI, be sure to follow these tips. 1. Do not use RSI alone, only as a secondary confirmation. 2. Higher time frames, such as 15 minutes, are more accurate for RSI 3. Combining RSI with SMC or price action gives better results. But if you are looking for a fast, clear, and testable signal, do not underestimate the combination of EMA plus MACD. Try it now on a demo account. RSI is a good tool, but not for quick scalping. With proper analysis, we have seen how its delay and noise can lead a trader astray. If you are looking for strategies that really work in the live market, subscribe to the channel now, because the next video is about the smart money pullback setup, and it could be your game changer. Until the next video, be successful and professional. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.